Alright guys, we're going to test this thing out. I don't have any other CB radios. I don't have any ham radios that go on CB. So I need to use an actual CB radio. So we go ahead and put this on dummy load. Let's see what it'll be on. We're on low power. I'm going to take it off peak. This is actually kind of a nice radio because it has its own power supply. It must be on P. Okay. So, let's see if this thing works or not. Oh, that's weird. So with this thing off, apparently the relays are not in line. That doesn't seem right. Okay. Seems like that is obviously stuck on. So I want to try something just really quickly, okay? That really shouldn't do that. Let's go ahead and undo this from that. No, there's something wrong with this. That's on the dummy load. So we got I can't read it. Radio and antenna. Okay. We're on a dummy load. You shouldn't hear anything at all. See how it makes. So it should stay quiet like that when you turn it on. You shouldn't hear anything. We're picking up something from this thing. You know, that's not good. Anyway, let's just see if the damn thing works. I don't have any plans to use it, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, we're on low. Let's turn off the amp. I want to see what my SWR is here. Make sure. Put it on cal. We do need to adjust it a little bit. Okay. Okay, we got no SWR. About 4 watts, 5 watts. Okay, we're going to put it on high because we don't want to blast the damn thing. Okay, so we're on high. Well, let's take it off of that. On low, it's barely doing anything. And we have SWR now. It's a common problem with these things. So we're on high, or are we on low? Okay. We're on low. Hello, 1, 2. Put it on peak. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 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 1, 2, 3, 4. So on AM, on peak, we can read about, I don't know, 50, 60 watts. Hello, 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 which really basically looks like, I don't know, 20. So it is working. Okay. You hear how it changes? Alright. This reads, I forget, like 200. So 20, 30, 40, 50. About 35. Okay. Hello. Let's put it on peak. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Okay, so almost 200. Hello. Alright. Let's go for sideband. Okay. And you turn the amp off. And I'm going to assume that the radio is probably not going to do more than like 12. This meter is really hanging. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 18 or 19 maybe on sideband on peak. That's just the radio. Just the radio. Alright. Let's put it on low. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 60, 70. Go up to high. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 200. Occasionally, maybe 225. So, if you had an export radio, and assuming it wants to play nice on 10 meters, you might be able to use this with a QRP radio. I don't know why I didn't even think of it. I should pull out my QRP radio and see if we can actually use it. Okay, so what I want to see here, we're on channel 6. We're going to go down to 1. I'm going to leave it on average. I'm going to put it on AM. Run high. It's weird. It keyed up something completely different. Maybe we should do RMS. Alright. Radio is showing no SWR. And that doesn't really make sense. Yeah. We have SWR on 2. Let's go back to 6 where we saw SWR. Now, why do I have no SWR now? So on low, I have SWR. Interesting. Probably best to run this thing on high in the first place. But let's go back to low and we'll look at channel 1. Okay. Let's go 40. So SWR 140. 1. One's at that line right there. Where's 40 gonna be? So 40's worse. So this may be optimized for below the band and not above the band. But I don't have any way to go higher than 40 and test it. And most ham radios would drive this thing too hard. Let's see what we get on high on 40. We don't have any SWR. So this actually, I mean, you might be able to use this for like something like a Hermes light or something like that. But I'll have to try it with my Xiegu X6100 because that's a 5-watt radio, and if I hook it up to this, I can do 100 watts. I should be able to anyway. We're pretty close. So, I wonder if there's actually even anything going on. Okay, so what I want to see is, can we hear anything? That's really weird. Something's wrong with this thing. Where's my RF gain? Okay. I'm on AM. Yeah, there's going to be nothing to pick up on CB. Which is a bummer. CB used to be a lot of fun when I was a kid, man. Anyway, I'll try it later on with the other radio. I don't have it out here, so I have to go get it out of my go bag.